Naglabas ng call to action ang ilang grupo sa komunidad, apela kay Prime Minister Mark Carney at sa iba pang antas ng gobyerno na tugunan ang ugat ng trahedya sa Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party sa Vancouver noong Abril. May report si Paula Saraza.
It is time for us to speak up and stand together and ensure that the government is listening to us.
Panawagang tugon sa naganap na trahedya sa Vancouver Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party noong April 26 ang inihain ng Filipino-Canadian Civic Action Network kasama ang ilan pang grupo sa komunidad kay Prime Minister Mark Carney kamakailan. Kabilang sa apela ang dagdag na public funding sa mga komunidad, gayon din ang paninigurong mabibigyang boses ang mga Pilipino, visible minority at iba pang racialized groups sa pagbuo ng mga pulisiya at pagsasagawa ng reforma pagdating sa community safety.
How are they making sure that when they are creating all these policies is that we have meaningful representation at the decision-making tables? And of course, lastly, by providing more funding for our communities in making sure that we can continue hosting festivals.
Ayon kay Josel Angelica Gerardo, malinaw na suporta mula sa iba't ibang antas ng gobyerno ang kinakailangan ng komunidad.
A lot of festival organizers, and including your group, Filipino-Canadian Civic Action Network, met with Mayor Olivia Chow to discuss, festival safety and support that that the city can give to the community. How did that go?
We shared with her what the priorities are in making sure that, one, that we are expanding mental health care here in the city by giving more funding to the Toronto Community Crisis Service, and hopefully for them to be able to show up at festivals across the city and provide that mental health care support that we need. Second is to provide more funding support for festival organizers in making sure that they have the needs and tools to make sure that our festivals continue to be safe. And lastly, to advocate for more conversations. This cannot be the only conversation that we have.
11 ang nasawi at marami ang sugatan matapos araruhin ng isang SUV ang bahagi ng kalye kung saan isinasagawa ang festival. At sa patuloy na pagbango ng komunidad mula sa mapait na pangyayari, saksi ang bansa kung papaano naging sandalan ng mga Pilipino ang bawat isa.
We have seen so many supports across the country by kapwa, for kapwa. Our kababayans have really stood together in making sure that we have the supports that we need. But it has to go beyond our communities. It has to really go into how we can make sure that the policies are working for us.
Umaasa si Gerardo na sa kabila ng trahedya, hindi panghinaan ng loob ang mga Pilipino sa pagdalo at paglahok sa iba't ibang pagdiriwang sa komunidad, lalo ngayong papalapit na ang Filipino Heritage Month.
Let us all show up together and show support for the festival organizers, for our communities, and continue to support each other as we go through this tragedy together.
Halos 3 linggo na mula ang trahedya sa Lapu-Lapu Day Block Party sa Vancouver. Patuloy pa rin ang iba't ibang fundraising events mula sa komunidad. Gayon din ang mga initiative suporta sa mga biktima. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.